In this video, I'll be showing you how to install mods in Minecraft. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe. All you want to do is go over to the browser of your choice, and you want to go and search up CurseForge. Once you've typed it in, click on the website, which is curseforge.com. And this website is basically a website which has a bunch of mods for a lot of different games. So as you can see, featured games, the first one is Minecraft. Once you're here, there is going to be so many different mods. You can have shaders, mods, mod packs. So we're just going to find a random mod to download. For example, let's just do X-Ray Ultimate. Looks pretty cool. 61 million downloads as well. And all you want to do is press download. And as you can see, it's downloading for me right now. You want to head back on over to Google and just type in Forge. Once you've typed it in and you press enter, just click the top one, which is right here. It's going to take you over to this website. And now just download the latest and download the installer. Again, it's going to come up with this. I'm guessing they have ads, to pay for the website and everything. So you just have to wait a few seconds, press skip on the top right. And as you can see, another download is in progress, which is the installer. Now, if your installer is showing up like this, it's just showing up as a file and it's not opening properly, you're going to have to download the latest version of Java. So all you want to do is you want to go over to java.com, super simple, and just download Java for desktops. Once you're here, it's going to show the latest release date. It's only 38 megabytes, so it doesn't take much space at all. Just press download Java for desktops again. It's going to come with this, and then just press install. And if you want to, you can change the folder that it's being saved to. It's going to install Java, which literally only takes like 3 or 4 seconds. It's not sped up at all. And that's literally it. You have successfully installed Java. And now when you click on the installer, it's going to ask you where you want to open it, and then just choose Java. Now you're going to see the installer come up, and all you want to do is install the client. So just press OK. Now all you want to do is you want to load up Minecraft after you've run the client, and then go over to the top right here. It's going to show different versions of Minecraft, and you're going to see Forge on the top right, which is exactly what you want. And as you can see, once Minecraft opens, you're going to see Forge beta over here. That's how you know it's working. Now just X out of this, and then all you want to do is search up run on Windows. It's going to say run system over here. It's going to come up with this little thing, and then all you want to do is type in %app data %. It's going to come up with this. Then just look for Minecraft, and then look for mods, and then finally that mod pack that you installed earlier. Once you've unzipped it, you just want to import it into this folder, and it's as simple as that.